हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम टू अनदर वीडियो विद एसडी। इस वीडियो में हम लोग डिस्कस करने वाले हैं अबाउट लिकर एंड टोबैको सेक्टर ऑफ स्टॉक। बेसिकली दिस वीडियो मैं प्रिपेयर कर रहा हूँ टू हेल्प द स्टूडेंट्स एंड द लर्नर्स ऑफ द रेनबो बैच। अगर ये भी आपको हेल्प हो रहा है देन दैट्स ग्रेट, बट किसी का सुन के ट्रेड करना बिल्कुल सही नहीं है। इट यू कैन लूज मनी। इट्स अ वेरी वेरी रिस्की बिजनेस। रिस्की ट्रेडिंग इज एक्सट्रीमली रिस्की। आपको किसी का भी सुन के टिप सुन के तो बिल्कुल ट्रेड नहीं करना चाहिए। दैट आई नेवर एवर सपोर्ट। So this is basically my analogy, my take of the market. This might help you, may not help you. This is basically to guide how to use the fountain of gold, my setup, which anyone can use by subscribing via Elan Markets. So this is basically a stock that is associated alcohols that is great going. It is a stock that is satisfying our criteria broadly, strength score and others, but criteria satisfaction is just one part. This is to see this stock has a very high beta, and also very high value at risk. So with a 95% confidence level, there is a in the next 5 weeks there is a 95% chance that I'll not lose more than this. This value at risk का मतलब है not more than this 95% chance that I can change. Now let's come back to the daily chart. In the daily chart, if I now change to cash stocks less than weekly, which is now for the daily chart, I can see it's in yellow. That means it's not ready. The stock is not good. The attempt failed and the short-term momentum is bearish. This is not a good time to remain in that stock. So we'll avoid this stock. And how to avoid means this stock, since it is satisfying our criteria, it will remain in my list. But I will only want to go into that stock only when short-term momentum, just a moment. Only when the short-term momentum is more of bullish, which is currently bearish. And I can place a breakout alert above this rainbow level above this. So crossing up. Then only I'll be interested in that stock. Otherwise, with this short-term momentum exit, bearish, and with the breakout failure, it is a good idea to exit the stock for now and stay on the sideline. Now, weekly chart, this is Aurangabad Distillery. Aurangabad Distillery का यहाँ पे दिख रहा है कि it has been weekly chart, it has been bullish. It has been bullish and it is satisfying हमारे criteria broadly. For that, we'll have to go to the weekly chart and select the weekly. Satisfying our criteria. Once again, the risk is high, value at risk is quite high, stock beta is very high. So this stock is once again very risky अगर देखा जाए तो. Let me change it to another, make a duplicate, and I'll be watching the daily chart here, the same stocks. And in this one, I'll select cash stocks less than weekly so that I don't have to change often. Now this is Aurangabad. Aurangabad, though in the daily chart, you can clearly see the white cross is above. Momentum has flattened. So once we get a new breakout above possibly 400, 405, then only this stock will look to do good. Then we have, let's look at the next one, Globus. Globus has given a good breakout. This stock looks good, though it has very high value at risk. मतलब right जगह पे एंट्री करना ये सब स्टॉक में एकदम सही, बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट काम होगा. और स्टॉक बीटा इज ऑल्सो वेरी हाई. तो ये सब स्टॉक में एंट्री इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. ये करेक्शन हो रहा है, अभी करेक्शन, अभी एंट्री नहीं. Once I got a price action bullish, matlab full green candle, then only I'll enter. Even in the daily chart, next 5 days, I can lose around 5.3%. And if I take it at a 99.99 confidence level, then there is a chance my loss can be 10.5% in the globus. So I definitely don't want to purchase the stock into weakness. Rather, I would like to purchase the stock into strength. Next जो देख रहे हैं, this is globus के बाद. So globus is a good break. We'll have to wait patiently for the comeback. Currently it's failing. The risk is high. So let there be a price action bullish. I'll make a price action bullish alert, which is full green candle. If the short term momentum be favor me, then I will consider entry. But globus broadly, it's a good break. It's a very important level. It is unlikely, usually it not break very easily. Now global is a good area. 1030, it is sustaining above so far. And we have around the base 990. So 990 to 1030 is the base. So even if I want to speculate on this one, I would want to buy as close as possible to the base. And the ongoing correction in the daily chart is very, very favorable to this idea. This correction, this is good. Let it correct more, let it go consolidation. But keep this idea alive that this is breaking, then it can go even bigger globus. Then we are looking at GMR Breweries. Short-term momentum turned bearish, short trend neutral. I'll not choose this one. I'll not like this one until the short trend is bullish. GMR Breweries, I'll not prefer. This stock has been in my list and exceptionally strong. That is Godfrey Phillips. An awesome move into this stock. And so far it is satisfying our criteria. And even in the daily chart, Godfrey Phillips is significantly strong. After a correction, look at that. Last day was an awesome entry in Godfrey Phillips. What a move. जो भी स्टॉक स्ट्रेंथ है उसी के तरफ पैसा भाग रहा है, वो पग awesome return दे रहा है. Now next we'll go to the next one. Goldent. We'll avoid this stock. It's not ready as per our weekly. IFB Agro. So these are not necessarily tobacco companies, but these are related. So I've prepared this list related, like ITC. So this is in the weekly chart, doesn't have the strength. We'll avoid IFB Agro. ITC is satisfying our criteria, making a weekly base. After making a base, first level of gone up, again the next level of base is here. So once again, it will continue to consolidate. Daily chart में दिख जाएगा, ITC is more in the consolidation weakness phase. देखिए, it can come down. So in the daily, the base can be seen 465, 456. So big drop can happen. ITC weekly base is 450 to around 441. So further correction होना, क्योंकि डेली में ITC काफी वीक हो चुका है. लगातार सेल सिग्नल आ रहा है. जो वीक सेल सिग्नल, क्योंकि लो प्रोबेबिलिटी, ओनली 30% चांस की सेल सक्सेस हो, बट बार बार आ रहा है, ये मतलब these are warning signs. Then we have, let's look at Radico. Radico. This particular strong is giving a new breakout in the weekly chart. It is satisfying our criteria. Then we'll look at Radico in the daily chart. It has significantly gone up. There is no entry point right now, as the increase has to be by support or breakout. Currently, only tracker or FOMO is possible. Then we have RKDL. Let's before we that go to that. Ravi Kumar Distilleries, mixed picture. We are not interested in this stock. SDBL, not interested at all. Bad. It may come back in future. These are important. ये base के ऊपर sustain करेगा. Maybe in future it will come back, but this is not good. Sula not good. Then we have Tilak Nagar Industries. Tilak Nagar Industries weekly chart satisfying our criteria. We are getting a good break. Breakout level is 270. 17 rupees ऊपर है current. Sorry, around 10% ऊपर है, so it will be better to have a correction. इसको daily chart में देखिए, it will be more clear. So next week you may get a buy support opportunity into Tilak Nagar Industries. It has gone up. Let it correct, and likely you'll get. Just look at the RSI structure. You can get a buy support opportunity in future. Keep a check on Tilak Nagar first with short-term momentum bearish. And once it is done, short-term momentum bearish, you want to place the opposite alert, short momentum bullish. That will be your re-entry opportunity point to test this weekly breakout. Next, we have UBL. UBL is not good in daily. Let's look at UBL in the weekly chart. Not good, not satisfying हमारे criteria. Then we'll look at McDowell's. It is steadily. United Spirits significantly steadily going up. This stock, since the buy signal on May, it has significantly gone up. United Spirits. And let's look at the McDowell or United Spirits in the daily chart. We don't have an exit rather than entry points. Daily is our execution time frame, and then once again, when I get a buy signal like this or a full green candle like price action bullish or short trend bullish, I'll avoid United Spirits. But this stock is a good one because as per weekly criteria, it is doing well. Then we have VST Industries that is also going up and significantly doing well. It has significantly gone up as well. तो अभी करंटली क्या फेज है वीएसटी इंडस्ट्रीज को हम लोग देख रहे हैं इन द डेली चार्ट it gave a bounce back. You should look to purchase. This is in a move. VST Industries more weekly chart. Weekly chart follow करना होगा and weekly chart follow करना होगा मतलब we rather look to buy when in the correction, not on the breakout on these stocks. मतलब VST Industry. So that's all, friends. This is the stocks. I may have missed one or two stocks. That's possible that you feel that there is in the group, but I may have included them in some other group. That's why these may not be part of this group. So that's all. Thank you so much for watching my video. All the best from my side. And as always, happy trading. And thank you, members, for joining my channel. As a token of thanks, this video is going to be released first for you, then for the general public. Thank you.